Hi guys, welcome to Cosplay Coffee. This is the remnants of Hermione cosplay I did earlier today. I know that this trend was happening a couple weeks ago where people were taking the new Wizarding World sorting hat quiz because Pottermore turned into Wizarding World and there's no more Harry Potter. And there's no more, it's hitting me. There's no more Pottermore. So everyone's doing this challenge and it's really weird that this all happened because I had this video planned weeks ago because like last year I went through this whole saga on Instagram where I was bored one night, so I was retaking the Pottermore quiz to see where I was sorted because it had been a few years. I lost my login and I also didn't know my Patronus or my wand type or anything, and I wanted to know all that, and I was sorted into the house I least thought I would be in, and so I retook it obviously, and I was sorted into every single house after 4 tries. I have been planning to retake the quiz anyway, and when I was going to do this video a month ago, I noticed it was asking for my passport number or if I wanted to sign up for a passport, and this was before they announced that they were getting rid of Pottermore, so I didn't get it and I just postponed. And then, you know, they announced the new website and then everybody started making this video. My plan was always originally to do it this way, the sorting hat, the drunk sorting hat challenge, for really one reason. I feel like people, when they take the test, they can kind of tell which questions are geared towards Gryffindors, Ravenclaws, Hufflepuffs, and Slytherins, and they kind of like, you know which house that you want to be in, so you kind of answer trying to get into the house that you want. And I feel like when you're, you know, drinking a little bit, you lose your inhibitions, you kind of let loose, and you don't think too much. You just answer right away. So I came up with this butterbeer recipe like a year ago. I have the recipe down below on my website. Yeah, so I've been drinking that a little bit so I could take the quiz, and I think I'm a little bit ready. Just a little bit. So if you are of the drinking age, I recommend trying out the new website this way so that you can really know which house that you're in. And if you're not, then maybe don't do this. So anyway, they have the Wizarding World app, so I'm gonna go on that now. Oh, I guess I should film this. No, I'm not ready. So while I'm getting into this, I know which house that I have always been in since I read the books when I was 8. And that's how old I was when the first book came out. Sign up. But I have a second house that I wouldn't mind belonging to. Create your wizarding passport. Coming from Pottermore, use the same email address, blah, blah, blah. I don't remember my thing. Okay. Tell us more about you. Name, Tiffany, but with an I. Last name. On this day, monster mates. The sorting hat, tap to explore. Is that the sorting? Okay, find your place at Hogwarts. Adorn the sorting hat to be placed into your rightful Hogwarts house. The sorting hat's decision is final. Start the sorting ceremony. This is intense. You are next in line. Do you have the courage of it? Okay. I'm nervous. No, I can't be nervous. It's not that big a deal. Apparently you have to update the app or your phone or something. You have to download something. I agreed to it. Sound on. Enable camera. Why? Oh my god, am I literally putting on a sorting hat? Oh my god, I am. This is embarrassing. Okay. Continue. Oh. You know what? It's not official, but that's what we're going with. Alright, here we go. Moon or stars? Tilt your phone to select. You can't just choose. Oh, I guess you have to hold it down to choose. How would you like to be known in history? The wise, the good, the great, the bold. The wise, the good, the great. I'm pretty sure when I was younger I used to say that okay, cool. This isn't a cheap hat. Pretty sure I called myself Tiffany the Great. That might have been my cousin. Anyway, 4 boxes are placed before you. Which would you try and open? A small... Are these the same questions from Pottermore? That's the other thing about Pottermore, is that it would give you different questions anytime you would retake it, like with a different email address. So that's how I got sorted into every single Harry Potter house. Okay, anyway. The small tortoiseshell box embellished with gold inside, which some small creature seems to be squeaking. Ew. The gleaming jet black box with a silver lock and key marked with a mysterious rune that you known to be the mark of Merlin. The ornate golden casket standing on clawed feet, whose inscription warns that both secret knowledge and unbearable temptation lie within. The small pewter box, unassuming. My camera got full, sorry. Okay, anyway, okay, the small pewter box or the golden casket, oh my God. But a scratched message, I think I'd be so intrigued. I think the scratched thingy. Which would you rather be? Envied, imitated, trusted, praised, liked, feared. I would say imitated because I would like to be like somebody people admired and, you know, whatever. A troll has gone berserk in the headmaster's study at Hogwarts. Oh. What's happening? Oh my God. You have to do this before things start dying on me. It is about to smash, crush, and tear several irreplaceable items and treasures. In which order would you rescue the objects? Yep. Nearly perfect cure for dragonpox. I have to drag it to order now? I don't know what else is happening. Student records going back 1,000 years. Psh. A mysterious handwritten book full of strange runes. Ooh, honestly though, probably the thing. First, a nearly perfected cure for dragonpox, then a mysterious handwritten book full of strange runes. Finally, student records going back 1,000 years. Yep, that's right. Yep. How do I go on? A muggle confronts you and says that they are sure you are a witch or wizard. Do you ask what makes them think so? Agree and ask whether they'd like a free sample of a jinx? I'm not that sassy. Agree and walk away, leaving them to wonder whether you are bluffing. Tell them that you are worried about their mental health and to offer to call a doctor. Okay. Probably agree and walk away to leave them wondering, or ask them what makes them think so. It depends on who it was, you know? If it's, did it say a stranger? If it was a stranger, I'm gonna choose the walk away. If you were attending Hogwarts, which pet would you choose to take with you? Toads, 100% no. Why? Look around. Oh, a common toad? No, I don't want a toad at all. Hate reptiles. No, thank you. I don't want a toad. I don't like this app. Okay, cat. This way. Cat, owl. Okay, cat, owl, or toad. I would 100% pick a cat. Siamese, black. Ooh, a white cat. Oh, white cat. I've had a black cat and a Siamese cat, but I've never had a white cat. So I'm gonna go with the white cat. Left or right? That's not fair. I'm right-handed. What does that matter? Sorting hat is ready to make its decision. Hold up your phone and tap below to begin. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm not ready. Now I'm ready. Oh my God. Difficult. Very difficult. Brave. Brave? Maybe I should take this off. I don't like this. This is a lot. Am I supposed to do something? I'm so confused. Oh shit. Gryffindor! Ah! Yeah. So the first time I ever took the Harry Potter test online, I was Ravenclaw, which is not which house I'm in, babe.
Bottom and top.
No, it's stupid. I think we should definitely have cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon roll.
Babe, hey, I have something important to show you.